So this is Rheinfall with the boats. There you can have a very nice view. Rheinfall. This is from the top. That's the extreme top. Rheinfall. Hey. If you have weak card, you can't come up at them place here. No weak card person can come up here. So we come with that pink boat there to come up here, and then we'll go back. That's the other side. So at the top, steps are very steep. Sorry. But you have a nice view from up here. So if you have a weak heart, this is not the place to be. Even you guys can't come from them. Woo! Well, I'm from my phone tight, yeah? See? Very pretty. So it's time to go down back. It's very steep. Coming from way up the top there. See where the flag is? That's where I'm coming from. It's very beautiful air. So we got to wait on the boat. That pink boat over there. You have the restaurant, buy what you want there. You can sit here and eat, so from here you have a very nice view. So very big fish, very big. Wow. The bigger the better.
Ja, die tun es fangen und dann essen, klar. Wie man sieht, im Restaurant. Ja, das sieht dann da so wie Zürich.
So here I have a lot of people because you know it's summertime, weekend, so everyone is at home.
Zum Essen.
Oh, a lot of people is at home, so everyone is here today. Too much people. Too much. Sun is hot and everything.
Ich werfe auch einen. Da, look. Schau mal, wie schön. Guck die noch. Sehr schön.
One. Wo soll ich hinlaufen?
Ah ja, dort, was du? Ich weiß doch nicht, jetzt geh.
Nein, ich will auch Geld rein.
Nein, ich habe ihm schon 2 Franken.
Sollen wir rein machen?
Ja.
Ja, sicher. Oh.
Papi, Leute laufen einfach weg. Die laufen einfach weg, die Frau.
Cooler Sack. Wow. Very nice.
Yeah. You come in here to Rheinfall, you have to plan to walk. A lot of walking, a lot of steps, but it's worth it. Worth it.
Schau aber schauen.
Whoa! I'm coming from way down there. Wow, tired. And I'm going way over there where you see that bridge with those people. So I have to go up in the hills. I'm tired. Oh. Guys, I'm at the top. Tired, sitting here on the ground, resting. There I was before, where you see the Swiss flag. There I was before, so you see that little hill there. There I was. And then now you see where you see those people are. There I will be heading, but I have to go up that step. A lot of steps. The trail begin again, the walking. These steps to go over to the other side. Guys, I've been coming down from the bottom there and I'm going up the top. Almost at the top, but I still have a long way to go. So this is the trail. So, you know, you have to plan to do a lot of walking. When you plan to walk a lot, then it's good. what's the great thing about it? We have shade here, so it's not so hot.
Ja, nein, nicht alles, das hast du noch nicht gesehen. Siehst du, mit der Pass. Es gibt also nicht viel, siehst du?
So finally of the next side. So there's a train line, the train. So we are on the next side. Wow, in the sun again. See, we're coming from way over there. So we are on the next side. So there, on that rock there, I was before, in the middle of nowhere. See? There I was. Coming from down there, still have this hill to climb to reach back to the top. See you at the top. So I'm finally at the top. Finally. Here's the top. You can see people lining up to go and drink water. You can drink water there. Ice cream. So this is where you enter in first from. When you're just going in, this is where you enter from. There's a nice restaurant there. Can come and have a nice drink or eat something after the long walking.